Hene Mache.
Yes, you say no.
Eno e kasai.
Yes, you kasai enra.
Na osim komo ewutie wo bibika.
We the clarification to trade na mpese me dem.
Okay.
Eye donation no e course so ewo eye domi abra ene ejusu zungu no. E course last year. Way before you ever start your investigations, I've been chance to be covered. Be ama this year, be a petition. And you know, as a panelist need be ever moment mine who said a refund of 29,000 new be donated to my assembly members. So there be the donation went on last year, and then if we the internally generated fund of the Jesu Municipal Assembly and the school down so far, yeah, say. School dying so be panen kwala tena edan aye no assembly ni hye donate that those amount to Domiabla assembly member and then the Zungu assembly member refund no ever about 2 months 1 month or 2 months ago we started investigation the rules and changing about 32 packets was say sika no nanke ba assembly yanka so obi anfa nko ye butter trade emfanye changing mra assembly anya sa name your investigation is going to say changing no ya the assembly dia koje by middle assembly and san you ko fa changing ni bi ba ya ne se da bi ya nje changing ya di ni scan ya koje ana 29 ta ne ba about a month or two ago so let's not make it look like that refund of 29,000 ni bi anu dem assembly members ni so mu kan ko bodan so da bi anya no bi na say scan if your assembly IGF
and no and so last year and a donation the course.
Yes, please.
And a more the investigation mo ye no sa roofing sheet no this year.
And investigation on that me say modi receipt betro mo Facebook line. Receipt here 13th August 2025. 13th August 2025. By assembly members uncover that receipt. No, this year I started investigation. Now you lose the assembly. Any company be acquire better trade agent chancing. In the investigation is revealing, and he started petition. By then, that donation, akoswama those assembly members, amoma kobo school dance. Sadam pese achieve for any panelist no. So it isn't the refund.
Enti schools I can want say me omo bo omo dan so kransana sa nkomo about butter trade ni sa ne mani nyina eba.
Me patron sa pepe.
Na adade ntem de na adade ntem so de no so sa ho. Adade ntem de no so sa because mahu
adade ntem de no ye ni information ayewo. Nti ene kra na me pese me frɛ me fine food but that's me bobo me ho am ya ba assembly aba be meeting me ba me ko hono mako cheke de me ye privy to Zungu any Domiabra de no ana me privy to
am that they see ye bia before say mu hu sa receipt no before that butter trade in san common nyina no enye from this roofing sheet e ka ho asem before and for that matter yentimi mfa ma discussion nim sa na person establish okay
and it has been alleged this has not been confirmed it has been alleged say that GCR that particular GCR no in assembly records we are also investigating and even the one who signed the butter trade assembly melemuno obi issue GCR receipt there also a bonded personnel. I mean, like I said, a normal pure, also a bonded personnel. The one who signed that butter trade agreement, he's not a bonded assembly revenue collector. And they said the American class, that clarification and I'm person make it say, sir, changing donation, a Mumuska, says can if you IGF, and yet 29,000 in one, a refund nearby, and
the 21,000 and now 29,000.
29,000 equivalent to 32 packets of roofing sheet.
Okay. Nti na mo beto aba no.
We call meeting.
Okay. Mbacho me da se. Esu ni de chire beba ho ne. E de tuntun beba ho. Honorable Alfred Esiedu Agye. You don't have friend